Hi beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy. This is now my second update on the 2026 Pandat Palette Project Pan. I am working on this Wet n Wild Color Icon Comfort Zone eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like after using this for almost 3 months. Let's have a look at what it looks like when I started the project, and then in my first update, and for this update. So for this update, let me share with you the total number of uses on each of the eyeshadow, with it side by side, of course, in my first update. And let's see if we can tell some difference with what it looks like. Starting with the brow bone, so this one, I'm light-handed whenever I use this, and I use this 10 times for this update, which is equivalent to almost 2 months of using this. And then for the eyelid shade here on the left, this one, the word eyelid, you cannot read it anymore. I cannot see it anymore, but there's still something embossed there. So you can see that there's something there, but I cannot read the word I so much. Even the D is not as visible as this one if I compare it with the eyelid here. And for this one, I've used this for this update 11 times. Now for this crease shade, which I've used the most for this update, and also since I started this project, because I've used this 17 times. And the next one that I've used the most for this update is this definer shade. I've been hitting my brush below the letters D and E, and I've been using this as an eyeliner. For this one, I've used this 16 times. And then the eyeshadows here on the right with the brow bone shade, this one, I'm light-handed whenever I use this. But comparing to the brow bone shade here, I think this one looks like I've used this more than the other. But in reality, I've just used this 9 times for this update. And in total, even if I compare it with my, in total number of uses with this one on the left, brow bone, this I've only used 15 times in total. This one I've used 26 times. So I've used this more, but in terms of what it looks like I've used this more than the other. I think because when I started working on this eyeshadow palette, I was more heavy-handed with this one, on this shade over this one. But in terms of enjoyment, I'm actually starting to enjoy using this over this one. And then this eyelid shade, which I love the most on all of the shades here, and I'm heavy-handed whenever I use this. This one I've used only 6 times. But this side, there's now a slight dip. But if we compare it with what it looks like in my first update, I think the difference is not significant. You can't even tell so much that I've used this 6 times in addition to the number of uses I did when I first used this palette. So in total, this one, I've only used this 11 times. The least number of uses in this palette is this one actually, since I started this project. But it looks like I've used this a lot. And the main reason is I'm heavy-handed whenever I use this. Now for this crease shade, which I've also been using as an eyeliner, I've used this for this update 11 times. Between the two, this is softer, so I think I may be able to hit pan on this ahead of this one. But I've been using this more for this update actually over this one. Perhaps if I focus on this, I might be able to hit pan on this sooner. But I've been alternating, or I wanted to get to use all of the eyeshadows as much as I could equally. And then for this definer shade, this shade I'm not really using this as a definer. I'm putting this all over my eyelid, but just lightly, because this is quite dark on my eyes. For this one, I've used this 5 times for this update. But in total, since I started this project, I used this 11 times. Sorry, 16 times rather. So this one 16 times and this one 11 times. So this, in terms of number of uses, the least number of uses is this one, followed by this one, because this one is 15 and this one is 16. So 11, 15, 16. But if we look at what it looks like when I started this project, it looks like I'm actually working on it equally with the others, right? Anyway, so this is what this palette looks like, and it looks like it will take me a long time this year before I get to heat pan on this eyeshadow palette. This is my second update, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!